Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Moen Kitchen Faucet is probably one of the most important fixtures in your kitchen, impacting your daily tasks and the overall aesthetic of your space. Therefore, choosing the right one and understanding how to maintain and repair it are crucial for both functionality and longevity. This video will guide you through the process of repairing your Moen Kitchen Faucet, addressing common issues and providing step-by-step instructions to help you get your faucet working smoothly again. Number 5. Moen 137401 Eco Performance Aerator. It features a highly reflective chrome finish, giving it a mirror-like look that complements any decor. This makes it a versatile choice for various bathroom styles. This is the perfect solution for fixing your leaky faucets. It's a simple repair that saves you from the cost and hassle of replacing the entire fixture. You can trust in its quality and reliability. It's an authentic Moen replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. You'll have it up and running in no time. It's backed by Moen's 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. This shows our confidence in its durability and performance. This efficient aerator helps conserve water without sacrificing water pressure. It's a smart and sustainable choice for your home. What we like? It's a simple solution for low water flow. If you have a Moen Rothbury or Voss faucet with a weak stream, this is the perfect, inexpensive fix. This genuine Moen part ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. What people say. The plastic tool works pretty good, but if you have a lot of build-up, it might make removing difficult. But the actuator itself works great on my Moen Eva model. It comes with the tool to remove and tighten the aerator. In case you are wondering, the aerators are of the 18.5mm variety. I bought a couple of these, and they work just like the original aerators did when they were new. But it looks like this aerator is mass-produced and fits other brands as well. Number 4. Moen Faucet Replacement Hose. It features a 360 degrees rotating brass connector for easy installation. The food-grade inner tube ensures safe drinking water for your family. It's lead-free, non-toxic, and tasteless. This replacement hose offers the best value without compromising quality. At 68 inches long, it's the perfect fit for most kitchen faucets. It's compatible with Moen pull-down kitchen faucets using parts 150259 or 187108. Please note, this is not compatible with pull-out faucets. The nylon, brass, and chrome finish will give your kitchen faucet a brand new look. It's sleek, durable, and complements any kitchen design. We offer a 1-year money-back guarantee and a 3-year product warranty. Contact us with any questions. We'll respond within 12 hours. What we like? This replacement hose is built to last. If you are looking for a longer, more durable hose for your Moen pull-down kitchen faucet, this is it. The safe materials ensure clean, healthy water for your family. What people say. It was cheap and easy to install. It took me less than 5 minutes to replace the old hose leaking on the plug connection. The material seems to be of the same quality as the original Moen. It worked flawlessly with my 15-year-old Moen faucet and connected directly to the spray wand. Removed old hose, easy peasy. New hose fit like a champ on a 2016-17 Moen model. 8 years out of my Moen pull-down faucet hose and it sprung a leak. Reviewed many different options available on Amazon and landed on this one due to it still having the brass fitting like the original OEM, instead of the updated plastic fitting. Quick delivery, and I was pleased to find the fitting was actually the brass as pictured. Super easy quick 2-minute install and I've been back up and running. It appears to be of similar quality as the OEM version and everything fit together perfectly. Number 3. Moen MO1255 Cartridge. This is the Moen MO1255 replacement cartridge, designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's a single cartridge, ready to solve your faucet issues. Inside the package, you'll find one replacement cartridge, along with a cartridge nut, an Allen screw, and a wrench for easy installation. Everything you need is right here. It boasts a Duralast design, featuring a stainless steel lever for lasting durability and smooth operation. You can trust it for years of reliable service. Experience the convenience of single lever action. Its 31mm Duralast assembly makes adjusting water temperature and flow a breeze. The precisely molded seals ensure a leak-proof fit, preventing drips and saving you water. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's designed to last. With the included tools and straightforward design, installation is quick and easy. You'll have your faucet working perfectly in no time. What we like? It's a simple fix for a leaky faucet. If you need a quick and easy faucet repair, this complete cartridge kit is your best bet. The durable design ensures a long-lasting repair. What people say? It's so easy. First, turn off the water. The new cartridge comes with an Allen wrench, new set screw and new cartridge and new plastic outer nut. It took about 10 minutes to replace, which included rounding up the tools and then putting them away. The cartridge can only go in one way, and I used the new plastic nut that came with the new cartridge rather than the plastic nut that was used with the original cartridge per the instructions. Install was effortless, faucet is good as new. Number 2. Moen 93980 Faucet Handle Kit. Don't replace the entire faucet. This Moen 93980 handle kit makes repairs easy and affordable. It's the perfect solution for a quick fix. It fits several Moen single-handle kitchen faucets, including the 7100, 7400, 7600, and 7700 series. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This replacement kit is designed for simple installation, saving you time and money. You can get your faucet working smoothly again in no time. It's an authentic Moen part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. You can trust it to restore your faucet to its original quality. Moen stands behind its products. This kit comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. Repair your faucet quickly and easily with this replacement kit. Avoid the cost and hassle of a complete faucet replacement. What we like? This is the simplest way to fix a broken handle. If you're looking for a quick and easy repair for your Moen single-handle kitchen faucet, this genuine Moen part is your solution. It's designed for hassle-free installation. What people say? It was perfect for the repair. And simple to do. Bought this kit and replaced all parts upwards from the cartridge. And voila, no leak. This repair kit has the little plastic clam shell that is needed to make it function again. Works perfectly. Number 1. Moen 101964 Aerator Kit. This Moen Aerator Kit is a simple solution to upgrade your faucet. It's designed for easy installation and a perfect fit. The chrome finish is highly reflective, giving it a mirror-like look that complements any decor. It's the perfect finishing touch. It's the ideal solution for fixing leaky faucets without the expense of replacing the entire fixture. Save money and time. This is an authentic Moen replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's made to last. It's designed for quick and easy installation. You'll have it installed in minutes. It comes with Moen's 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. We stand behind our product's quality. What we like? This will give your faucet a new look. If you want to refresh your faucet's look and fix a low water flow, this is the perfect choice. This genuine Moen part is easy to install and will give your kitchen a stylish upgrade. What people say? Replacement was super easy and the part looks great. No issues after a month. This was a perfect fit without buying a new faucet. This aerator does a good job of providing a splash-free stream of water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.